Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's wig review. So today is a lookbook video. I wanted to put together a bunch of different looks for you guys to go ahead and show you some short looks that will be perfect for this new warmer weather that's coming out. So if you're excited and want to see how these Shorty doo-wop wigs work out for me, then definitely keep on watching. So all of the units today are sent to me by Elevate Styles. So thank you so much, Elevate Styles, for sponsoring this video. And all of the units are by a company called R&B. It's their 100% natural human hair wigs. Let me see what this one is. This one is HH88, and I do have this unit in the color number 1. So this unit is fitting really snug on my head, but it actually feels really, really comfortable.
That's good.
So I just feel like this unit is a little thin. Like, I know it's 100% human hair, but I feel like they could give us just a little bit more. But this is for the ladies who like to have a very natural look. All right, so here we have the next unit. This next unit is called HH Naomi, and I do have her in a 1B. So this is what Miss Naomi looks like. I love the concept of this unit, but I think the overall execution could have been a little bit better. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, so the next one we have is HH Jackie, and I do have her in a number 99J. Let's go ahead and pop this one on. Nice little throw on and go, long as your braids are braided down. Sis, do not try to throw this on over top of your afro. Don't, you know, you got TWA, braid it down, baby, braid it down. Let's move on to the last one. Ooh, this one is a fierce one, y'all. She even got the auntie in her name. This auntie did not come to play. We got HH Aunt. Okay, and Aunt is in the color number 2. Okay, y'all, this is just playing too much. They playing too much with this. What in the heezy? What in the world? What? This wig. They said they wasn't putting no curls in this wig. They wasn't cutting it into a style. They just gonna throw this wig out there, and whoever grab her, just go ahead, grab her and go. So yeah, you guys, these are the wigs. Let me know what you guys think. Some of these were yes, some of these were no. If you're interested in checking out more about these units, they are available on elevatestyles.com. So make sure you head over there and check them out. Also, be sure to check the information bar where I will have links for all of these units in there. And I'll have links for the Glee Made t-shirt as well as the Kente head wrap, which is also available on gleemade.com. Make sure you guys are subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.